So a lot has changed since our last Jasmy video. Quickly, let's just look at the Jasmy price updates, the BTC dominance chart in order to get something is happening on the BTC dominance chart. We are going to be looking at this Jasmy price chart as well on the daily time frame. This Jasmy price chart on the 4-hour time frame. The fear and greed index is currently at 30%. We are going to be looking at the Jasmy liquidation heat map. And if you're comparing Jasmy and BTC, Jasmy has steadily outperformed BTC, which is something we all are excited. Or we're going to be talking about this Jasmy chart as well. Likewise to this Jasmy chart on the weekly time frame, this BTC dominance charts, and also BTC price chart. My name is Isaac. You're welcome to my channel once again. For those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. And before I proceed, please smash the like button if you haven't already. Destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and so that we can spread the good news of Jasmycoin. Now, the truth of the matter is every dips are buying opportunities, and what I've done on this channel is to constantly spot areas of liquidity for you guys, areas of buying opportunity for you guys. So congratulations if you paid attention to the series of videos we've dropped, times without numbers, and also the emphasis we've laid on this price level, the price between 0.028 and also 0.025 respectively for Jasmycoin. By the way, Jasmy is currently trading at around 0.030, and we have 5 days and 14 hours for this weekly candle to close. Let's just go back to this Jasmy chart to get some pictures of what we're about to talk about. Now, if you're paying attention to this 4-hour time frame Jasmy chart, you will notice we are trading in a triangle right now, and a potential breakout is going to happen very soon. We have 3 touches here, 1, 2, 3 on the upper trend line. The lower trend line, we have 3 confirmed touches as well, 1, 2, 3, you understand? And each time we get to the trend line, we usually get a bounce from there. So sooner or later, Jasmy is going to move gradually to the upside to retest this trend line once again, this upper trend line, and it's going to be around 0.033329, you understand? Because if you're paying attention there, that area is likely to be a resistance zone. That 0.033155 zone is likely to be a resistance zone. So if Jasmy is able to break past that and flip it into a support, then the next potential price target is going to be close to 0.038 zone. Because if you're paying attention to the liquidation heat map for the price of Jasmycoin on the 3-day time frame, you would notice we have over $553,000 worth of liquidation position there to be taken out, you understand? So the moment Jasmy is moving towards that 0.0330, we might get a correction from there if care is not taken. But if you're a long-term holder, I see no reason why you should panic, because these are just temporary moves, you understand? They are about to happen. The market is full of volatility. The market is volatile, so there's no need to panic at all. Like I told you guys several times, when Jasmy dip to this zone, I even drew this potential price move for the Jasmy price. So when it dips to this zone, should be your entry position. If you notice, we closed the previous week candle into that zone. We got a bounce. We closed it above the price. Now we opened the previous week candle and we dipped sharply into that zone as well, and then got another bounce again. We are currently above that zone. So each time you see Jasmy dip into this zone, the zone between 0.028 and also 0.025, even if I'm not around, if you're not getting update from anywhere, you should know, okay, Isaac said when Jasmy dips to that zone, it should be our entry position. It should be our buying opportunity. You understand? Please and please don't just overlook this entry opportunity. These are generational entry opportunities. These are once in a lifetime entry opportunities. That zone is an extremely important zone. Now let's talk about what was it called? BTC. Now if you're paying attention right now, we have a liquidity here for BTC to be taken out. A liquidity around 67k, you understand? And also we have another one around 65k, 63k, respectively. But the one around 63k should be the one of concern right now. If you ask me, you understand, we are currently on the 4-hour time frame for the BTC price chart. We dipped. The truth of the matter is, I never expected this massive manipulated dip that happened on BTC yesterday. The manipulation on BTC was only on BTC. It didn't actually affect altcoin. So that's why we are all smiling today. Otherwise, most of us would have relocated back to trenches, like seriously. So BTC is back at $61,272. We have 1 hour, 10 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. So fingers crossed, as you can see, we are already coiling up. As long as this current BTC coiling continues, sooner or later we are going to break to the upside, you understand? If we're not getting rejected from there, then we should just a little bit get at least minor rejection from there, and then make another move to the upside, flip that zone into a support, then head straight to $45,000. We have a lot of liquidity around $45,000 for the price of BTC, so you have to pay attention to that zone. And also $66K, we have another liquidity around that area, so pay attention. Now, if you're paying attention to this BTC dominance chart, you would notice I've talked about this target for the BTC dominance times without number, and this dominance should be one of the indicators you should use as an edge in order to motivate yourself, in order to know when to exit the overall crypto market, to know when to buy, to know when to sell. You understand? This indicator should not be relied on 100%, but it should be used as a confluence to other indicators you have. Now, the BTC dominance chart is currently correcting. We are currently at 54.65%. We have 5 days and 14 hours left for this current weekly bearish candle to close. Now, should this bearishness on the BTC dominance chart continues, we are likely to get a similar price move like this and then drop. By the time we get to 52%, that is a sign, that is an indication that we are in the early stage of the altcoin season. Please and please, the move you're seeing for Jasmy hasn't even really started. You understand? Jasmy is currently at 0.03 cent. The real move hasn't started. I think, in my own opinion, the real move will begin the moment we are able to flip the 0.038 and also 0.050 zone. We've talked about this zone countless times in my videos. The moment we are flipping that zone into a support, then that is when the ballistic move for Jasmy will begin to the upside. And the first price target from that ballistic move is likely to be around 8 cents. You understand? The second price target is likely to be around 12 cents, which is when most of us will be heading towards the millionaire zone in Jasmy holdings. And the other price target is around 18 cents. Why? We have a lot of price target to the upside, you understand? By the time Jasmy is able to conquer 18 cents, moving to 27 cents won't be difficult at all. The overall cryptocurrency market sentiment is currently at fear zone, which is 30%. We closed yesterday with neutral, 51%, last week with 74%, but the overall market is currently in the fear zone. And be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. I think that's what Warren Buffett said. So as a smart investor, you know what to do already. When everyone is fearful, when they are scared to buy the dip, that is when you should be buying the dip. And when they are greedy not to sell, that is when you should know what to do. Let's look at this Jasmy price update on the daily time frame. You would notice 27 cents. Did I just say 27 cents? Hopefully we'll get there soon. But 0.027 area, which is 2 cent area, held the price of Jasmy very, very well and never allowed the price to drop below that zone. We are currently above the 0.027 area. You understand? The chart, this is what the chart is saying. The chart is saying that that area is a very, very important area. It's even tallied with what we've talked about here countless times. That area is in confluence with this zone we talked about countless times, which is 0.028 and also 0.025. As long as Jasmy is not losing this price area, then there is no cause for alarm. There is no reason for you to get scared. Please ignore the temporal market manipulation, ignore the temporal market correction, which is definitely going to happen in across all altcoins. Ignore whatever short-term price volatility you're seeing. Look at the bigger picture, like seriously. The bigger picture is where you should pay attention to. So sooner or later, we are going to get back to our previous high, which is around 0.045 zone for the price of Jasmycoin. Jasmy on the coin market cap, we are currently up 0.88%, 3.88% in the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently at $1.4 billion. We are ranked number 57th position out of over 10,000 active cryptocurrencies. Trading volume was initially around close to $170 million, but we've now dropped to $156 million in trading volume for Jasmycoin. We are ranked number 59th position by volume, according to data available on CoinMarketCap. Trading volume is looking quite well. We are up 31.4% in the last 24 hours. So sooner or later, we are going to get to our desired price target of 27 cents, 50 cents, and $1 respectively, depending on what price target you have in mind. And if you're looking at the sentiment for Jasmycoin, they said the oscillators are currently at neutral zone. The moving average are currently on neutral zone, you understand? So the overall sentiment for Jasmycoin is currently sitting on the neutral level. So that's tell you a lot of people are confused. That's why I decided to make this video to give you guys an update. I don't just make Jasmy video often, but I make video when there is something to talk about. So as always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.